welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And today we are wrapping up. In case you haven't watched my other videos, please go and watch. And you'll know that I shot most of this content on one day, okay? Yeah. Just for you. So please do subscribe, like, and share. And then today I'm going to be showing you how I make my simple chicken stir fry at home. First of all, what is a stir fry? A stir fry is a simple dish that cooks in a much faster way than the other meals because it involves vegetables that you want to stay vibrant and crunchy. It has soft protein, usually seafood or chicken or sometimes beef, but the more lean beef steak. And today we are going to be using the chicken. So you need very little oil, high heat, vegetables, vibrant colors. And you know, when we talk colors, I'm down. Okay, so we have our chicken breast. Cut it into two, at least like this, to thin it out so that it cooks much quickly. And then you're going to cut out some strips. Just like this. You can also cube it. Really, it depends on you and what you're looking for or what you want. But also keep in mind that the shape you chop your protein in should be the shape you maintain for the vegetables, okay? We don't want to see dices or cubes or discs in a stripped chicken piece, okay? This is too long, and I know someone will grab it and then they would have stolen me, so divide it into two, and then there we go. Now, when that is done, we are going to grab our vegetables. I'm going to be using the bell peppers. You want to chop these into similar shapes to the chicken, really. Any vegetable of choice. So we are going to add in a courgette. There you go. Then we're going to grab some mushrooms. And those are all the vegetables we have or are going to use. Very colorful. If you have kids, you can use it as an activity to color coordinate, and there we are. So all these ingredients are already here, plus our onions. We are going to make our sauce. You need stock, chicken stock. I don't have that one, but again, nothing can stop Reggie. So we are going to add in some water, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sesame oil for the flavor. And there we have all our ingredients. So we're going to start by currying the chicken, seasoning it with black pepper, freshly ground. I'll drizzle some more sesame oil. I need to season this with some salt. I'll add in some cumin. Always, okay? It's okay for you not to use cumin. So you mix this together. And then we go to the fire. Just enough to cover the base of the pan. So once the oil is heated, you want to go on and add your chicken. Mushrooms go in next. right before the onions get burnt.